Yo, what's good, guys? I'm back with another video, and today, something different. Still solos, but we're gonna do Horde Rush, and the objective, and we're going to be doing a challenge. Challenge. So we can only carry a gray pistol if I find one in the game, and the rest of the slot has to be heals. No guns. So that means no clingers, so no weapons and no clingers, dynamite, any explosive. So and only heals. And if I want, I can carry a rift to go, gliders, and boogie bombs. But I still have to. But I can only use the pistol for the until the end, because there's like this final round and there's like the boss battle. So I can only use the pistol then. So and for all the rest of the battles, I have to use my pickaxe. Or if not, I might not even use my pickaxe. So I don't know if I'm gonna win, but like I'm at least gonna try. Tomorrow I might do another challenge. I have to think of one. A great pistol though. And in this game they bring the blue palm, the palm,
What?
legendary palm, the barrel, so they bring all that back. And if I do not find a pistol, I think I'm gonna just have to kill the boss with my pickaxe. So I really hope I find a pistol. Oh my god. No, the circle's here. I might not even be finding a pistol here. Actually, I might not be finding a pistol. Sorry guys, my camera fell. What? It's round 1 already. Oh, I only have to prepare for the battle. Pistol, 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 no. I can't use grenades. Yes! Let's go! The pistol. Okay. Yes. This game is going to right where I want it to go. Yo, I have to farm materials though. Sorry again. My camera keeps falling. No, no, please tell me it's not happening again. Oh, thank you. I don't know what's wrong with my controller, but like whenever like I take my hands off of it, it like stops working. No drum gun, no suppressed pistol. I will take these gliders though. If not, I might try to build a whole fortress. So let me farm some mats. Can't use this pistol yet. Only to the boss level. Now I have to kill the zombies with my pickaxe. Gotta find that. I'm only building the fortress for the boss level. I think. I don't know. If I'm really low, I might have to just spam build and heal up. This is not enough. Okay. Okay, buddy. Oh, and we have to try to get points. Sorry, I didn't mention that. Oh no, why did I do that? Yo, what? I'm just gonna juke people out. I'm just gonna juke them out. Oh, he missed. No way. Yo, if he hit me, bro, I would have been really mad. Okay. No stink bombs. Can't use those. Have to juke him out. Oh my. Miss. Right here. I'm right here. Oh my god, he missed. And I tried to block him. Didn't turn out to be so good. He missed me. I have to get mats. Oh my god. And I can use a little smoke bomb so I can make you disappear and stuff. Yes, Dad? No. No. Guys, I'm sorry. Oh no. Yes. Okay, I am. Oh, yes. Sorry, guys. No! Oh my god, my controller thing happened. Does it work? Does it work? Please work. Guys, I'm gonna die this round because of my dumb controller. No way. Oh, he almost hit me from like that. Oh. What? Oh, I forgot. Oh, I want that blue AR so bad. I would just spam them all. I'm not trying to waste any materials right now. But like, oh yeah, about that, guys, I had to go sing happy birthday. Oh my god, an RPG. I will RPG almost every single one of them. Can we get off my behind?
I don't.
And that was my name. Oh no, combat. Ah, suckers. Sorry guys, let me close the door so you won't hear them. No, not good. Okay, good. Can I use impulses? Whoa, buddy. No, 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 no. Alright. Now I really know what to do. Is there someone up here? Okay, good. No way. Wait, what? How do they just come up from up here? No, and of course it spawns here, bro. You guys see it good? Okay. Better. Whoa, buddy. Your aim, though. Wait, what? See, I feel like I'm getting blank hit marker. He's getting blank hit markers on me. That chili thing won't work on me. Wait, what? Again? Yo, their aim is so good. I don't even know how.
And some lotion on the dry crust. Good. Of me?
Okay. Alright, so let me pickaxe him real quick. Bot. What gun is that? Attack, okay. 1 more minute, I have to survive. No one should be coming up here, bro. No one. Wow. Okay. I hate my controller problems, bro. Miss! Kid, you're bad. Kid! Oh my god, and he got me? Really? You're so bad, kid. That's why you're gonna get pickaxe, kid. Yo, hold up. I only have a big pot and 6 minis? No way. Can I use 2 pistols, guys? Nah, but only 1 gun though, okay. 1 gun.
We're gonna look for it. Go look for it. Don't come down here without it.
Don't mind my parents if you can hear them. Look how small the zone is. Yo, literally. It's gonna be a heal off battle, but like... Yo, no. I lost, I think. I think I lost. Wait, what? No, bro. Alright, I'm gonna just juke them all out. I can't touch the zombies though. Good. I hope you guys know the zombies don't take damage from the storm. Which I really think is dumb. But I guess I'll have to deal with that. I'm just obsessed with that. Can you please stop? The kid, you're bad. You're trash, kids. Come on, kid. Oh wait, after this round, it's the boss level. Okay. Chapter survive for 1 more minute. They're not. I tell you, bro. Their aim is so good. See, now that I need to break it down. Oh. Oh my god, look how many people are behind me though. Whew. Jeez, man. Okay, I'm not trying to kill that guy. He's actually gonna get blocked. It's so dumb though. That's the thing about those zombies, they're so dumb. Their aim is God though. Sometimes they're like, these zombies are like drunk people sometimes. Like, I would see zombies doing this. And I'm just like, what? No, this stuff happens again. Oh my god, my controller problems. Okay, final round is the boss. Final round is the boss. I'm gonna just do this all day. And they can't destroy this, so I'm like, yeah.
Think of the moves that we can do.
Guys, you might, guys, just, like, oh, okay, good. He's here. Exactly what I needed from him. No! Smart idea. What? I'm gonna camp in that tree. Wait. No, kid. No. These people are so bad, though. That's the thing. They're not even good. Okay. They're not. Those kids are not even good. And then they come right after me, bro. I hate those frozen things. That's why I'm trying to avoid them. No, I hit one. I'm not trying to hit those things. I'm trying to hit the guy. No! Oh man, the boss is almost dead. Wait, what if I do this? Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Look where I'm at though. Oh my god. Bro. Of course. I wasn't really focused on the points. I just wanted to get a win, but okay. Oh, they're so bad though.
Whoa.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do like a solos match.
Why is this chair over here?
Oh, let me show you guys the item shop.
I'm trying to get the blue.
First, pause your video.
Really rare. Alright, guys, well, this is it for the video. So I will catch you guys tomorrow because I'm going to be doing another challenge tomorrow. I don't know what it is, but I will be doing one. And I'm out. Peace.